Hi guys, welcome to my Code with Chamin YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about how to create and restore database using scripts. I am using SQL Server Management Studio 2019 version. Let's start SQL Server. Now give your login and password and click on connect button. Now it is connected to SQL Server local database server. So when you click on databases, there are no any databases. You can refresh and check. Click on new query. Here we use this script to create database and restore the database from another backup file. Be sure you have selected master database. Now in create database test, restore database test. I'm going to restore my test database. There is a backup file wismas.back in D drive. So from this I write down the wismas.back file with replace move test to the, you have to give the path where you are going to restore the file. This is log file path wismas_log. This is related to wismas.back database backup file. This is MDF file, data file. Path test is data file. Test_log is the log file. So let's execute this script. Click on execute button. It will take few times to execute. Code is executed successfully. It took 1.26 minutes to me. So you can see the execution, and finally it shows you restore database successfully processed. Now you can refresh the database and check. You can see the test database is created and the data backup file is restored. Here the tables, and you see the stored procedures also included here. This is how it will be done. So thanks for watching. See you again with another video. Like, share and subscribe us.